What's up, YouTube? It's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Literally just woke up, not even 5 minutes, guys, but I need to get the video out because I got a lesson soon, around 11ish. But yeah, why did we go up? We'll explain this in today's video. This will be a great video. Hope you guys enjoy it today. If you enjoy it, smash the like button, leave a comment down below. It'd be nice to read and I'll reply to it. And yeah, make sure you're subscribing. We're trying to reach 2.5k subscribers before the end of this month. I honestly believe we can do it in the next 2 weeks or so. So let's see if we can. Let's get to 2.5k. Perfect. I'm going to turn on the drawings because I want to explain why did we pump from here. But yeah, one of the main reasons is because we have this swing low and then we had this swing high. And we've come back down to form this new swing low and then the new swing high. When you make a new swing high, you want to fall back to the previous one. But if you fail to hold the swing high as a swing low, you were holding it here. You just needed to make a higher than that wick right there. But you came down lower. And once you lost that wick, you lost that swing high. Sorry, this one here. And if you lose the swing high, the next support is the swing low. So this is your support, and that's why we've came down here. And we keep going. So you see this is a bullish candle. We're meant to go up and we go down. So this is a bearish candle. We're meant to go down. We go up. This is a bearish. We do go down. This is a bearish candle. Lower low. We should go down and we go up. But that's a bearish candle and we do go down. But this is a bearish candle. It does not go lower. So it's technically a higher low. And that's why I've pumped back up into resistance. There's another reason, guys. And of course, first one, we're at the swing low. So we're at support. But then let's turn on the drawings now. We're still holding this channel. If you remember correctly, let you guys know about this channel at the start of the week where we've been following it. Here, support, you fell out of it, back tested as resistance, came down, look at the dump after you back tested as resistance, came into it again, double top at it, resistance, got into it, but it ended up being a fake out, smacked into it as resistance, dropped. And then, yeah, you broke in, actually held its resistance there, fell back to the EMAs, broke in, back tested the bullish cross, broke out, back tested the outside now support, but you failed to put that higher high. So you've lost that low, and that means we're coming back to this low. So we lost that high, the swing high, so we come back to the swing low of that. And yeah, as you can see, we lost that. And we've come back down to the target. We've hit the 1.272. We were expecting to come back down to the 1414. Still possible, because again, guys, the daily candle has not closed, but very nice bounce yesterday. The reason we bounced is because if we can look closely, if I get rid of the EMAs now, you can see we have a sort of rising. If I get rid of this quickly so you can see it, we've got this sort of rising wedge, and when I'm drawing a rising wedge or any sort of patterns, I like drawing it to the bodies. Now, with Fibonacci's, we have to do it from the wick to the wick, but with patterns, I like doing it as close to the bodies as possible. And you can see at the moment we are sort of breaking out. Now, what we need to do with the daily candle close is to close above the 1 fib level and outside of this rising wedge. If we can do that, we need to then come back down and back test the 1 fib level or the pink line, or either one, basically, either that wick, which is the orange line, or the pink line there. And then once that's happened, then we are going to continue to the upside. As long as you're holding the 1 fib level as support, we will not be going to the 1618, and that right there is your low. Since then, you've only put a higher low, and now we're trying to put this higher high with the body higher than this, but not higher than that wick. So yeah, even just breaking out, not even worrying about breaking up higher than that, because we're probably going to close below it, running into it as resistance. And yeah, it's so vital to come back down and hold this as support the next day. Yeah, if you're not doing that, if we're closing below the 1 fib level, if we're closing back below 38.5k, then we're going to continue in this pattern, this falling wedge, and any channel that's falling, falling channel or falling wedge, descending channel or falling wedge, they all tend to break out bullish, but there's still a 33% chance it actually comes back down and breaks under, and that's that sort of scenario over here. I have to get that channel back. So that's what really happened anyway. Fell under, back tested resistance, had this massive dump. So we don't want anything like that, guys. We don't want to fall out of here, back tested resistance and dump, because we'd be coming back down to the blue zone. Now, the reason why this video is important is because, yeah, Today I was trying to explain to you why this green level over here, this support, is the true support rather than this. We know by the definitions of support and resistance, an area of support and resistance with the most amount of touches is the most valid line or area of support and resistance. So I know if I'm drawing a box or a line, if it's getting more touches, then it's more accurate. So this box over here, I've got one occasion here and a second occasion here, but the box above, so this was our low in January, but the box above, look, when we pumped, we found support right there, one occasion. Then we kept on going up, found resistance, come back down, second occasion. Went up because we didn't back test this here as resistance, as support, sorry, when we were meant to come back down here, back test the support. You fell through the swing high, and once you fall for a swing high, you go to swing low. So exactly what's happened here, when you made a new swing high, higher than the previous, you're meant to fall to it as support right there and bounce and continue. Because you failed to continue and you lost the swing high as support, you come to that